Hi, please make sure that you're working through each of the weeks by first starting off with the introduction and overview. And then if there's a discussion, this will be due later in the week, and to replies to other students in the class due after your first posting. Then to get into the test out material, you'll click on the introduction for that chapter. Click on Launch Test Out. Taking a minute to load. The introduction area is very important. Make sure that you're reading through each of those chapter and topic introductions. There are things that you'll find there that you will not find in the videos. Then click on the arrow. And here's your first video. When I'm done watching that video, I'll click on play. Click on play. When you're done watching that video, then you click on the arrow to go to the next portion. Notice these numbers are changing here, that they are sequential. When you're done with that page, you can click on the arrow. Now this is one of the labs. When you're done with the lab, again, you click on the right arrow to keep moving through the material. If in working through the Web Campus area, if you don't click through the test out material, then you're going to miss those videos. You're going to miss the labs. So please make sure that through that first link that you'll find in the introduction for each of the chapters, that you're going through all the test out material. If you have done all the test out material, you would have experienced these things that I'm grading. So again, your work is going through the introduction and clicking through all of the videos, the labs, and the practice questions through this link. If you have done all of those, then you should have scores in each of the areas in which I'm grading. Hope this helps. Thanks.